In any kitchen, a reliable knife set is the heartbeat of efficiency and accuracy. The right knives influence prep speed, slicing precision, safety, and overall cooking enjoyment. This article evaluates 5 13 to 15-piece knife sets spanning a broad price spectrum, from budget options.
List number 1. Henkel's Premium Quality 15-piece knife set with block. This 15-piece Henkel set delivers a high-end German-engineered option with a hardwood block, 6 steak knives, a sharpening steel, kitchen shears, and multiple blade genres: parers, santoku, chefs, bread, and utility. The blades are stainless steel with a single-piece construction approach, and the set is dishwasher safe, though hand washing is often recommended to preserve cosmetics and edge integrity. The package claims ultra-sharp blades with longevity and a durable, forged-like feel backed by a lifetime warranty against defects. Weight is substantial given the block and steel construction, with the whole set weighing around 8.6 pounds. Pros include the complete onboard sharpening steel, the 14-slot hardwood block, and the renowned Henkel's build quality. Cons include the potential overkill for casual cooks who don't need a full block, and the requirement for careful dishwasher use as recommended by care instructions. Performance-wise, the 8-inch chef and 8-inch bread knives offer robust edge geometry suitable for precision slicing and bread cuts, while the 7-inch Santoku and 5-inch serrated utility provide versatile everyday capability. The 6 4.5-inch steak knives add dining room practicality, and the included honing steel supports edge maintenance between professional sharpenings.
List number 2. Knife set. Hundop's 15-piece set emphasizes a modern aesthetic with a self-sharpening block, dishwasher-safe blades, and a full complement of blades including 6 serrated steak knives. The block includes a built-in knife sharpener, which aims to reduce routine maintenance tasks. The handle construction uses plastic with an anti-slip design, and the color scheme is all black for a cohesive kitchen look. The price point of $39.99 positions it as a strong budget contender when paired with a 15-piece lineup and self-sharpening convenience. Pros center on versatility and the included storage solution. Cons include the use of plastic handles and potential long-term edge wear concerns under heavy use. In use, the knives are described as carefully tuned for sharpness, with a collection that covers chef, slicing, santoku, bread, utility, paring, and 6 serrated steak knives. The dishwasher-safe claim is a practical benefit for busy households, although individuals should still dry promptly to avoid water spots and corrosion on any stainless blades with coatings. The self-sharpening block theoretically maintains edge geometry, but real-world effectiveness depends on how often knives are removed and reinserted. Overall, this set suits first-time buyers, student apartments, or as a starter gift due to its visual appeal and value pricing.
List number 3. Premium Quality 8-piece knife set with block. A.O. Meeson offers an 8-piece set focused on core kitchen needs with a compact block, built-in sharpener, and ergonomically designed handles. The set emphasizes lightweight knives with a stamped blade construction and a built-in sharpener integrated into the block to facilitate quick touch-ups. The included stand helps keep counters organized, and the high-carbon stainless steel aims to balance edge retention with corrosion resistance. Priced at $59.99, this option sits in the mid-range and suits cooks who value space efficiency and a simple maintenance routine. Pros highlight the built-in sharpener and ergonomic grip. Cons include the smaller blade count and potentially less blade diversity for specialized tasks. Still, for casual home cooks, the ergonomic handles and integrated sharpener offer strong appeal. Performance-wise, the 8-inch chef, 8-inch bread, 7-inch santoku, 5-inch utility, and 3.5-inch fruit knife cover typical daily tasks with a focus on user comfort. The included kitchen shears add extra value, and the dishwasher-safe claim simplifies cleaning. The raised concern for some users could be the lightweight feel and stamped blade construction, which may not match the rigidity of forged blades in heavier-duty tasks like dense root vegetables or tougher proteins. Still, for casual home cooks, the ergonomic handles and integrated sharpener offer strong appeal.
List number 4. Aster Cook Knife Set. Astercook targets value-driven buyers with a 13-piece kit that includes several essential blades, plus blade guards and a durable anti-rust coating. The set is dishwasher safe and designed for practical storage with 6 blade guards that help protect edges and simplify cabinet organization. The anti-rust coating is pitched as a health-forward feature, aiming to minimize oxidation and staining. Priced at $19.99, it's the top budget option in this comparison, offering a compelling entry point for new cooks or gift buyers who want a broad blade lineup without a large upfront investment. Pros emphasize affordability and protective blade guards. Cons include potential questions about long-term edge performance and the credibility of anti-rust claims on carbon steel blades. In use, this set covers chef, slicing, santoku, bread, utility, paring knives, plus kitchen shears. The blades are listed as forged with a white color palette and a lightweight feel, which can improve maneuverability for beginners. The get-started maintenance is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe construction and a lifetime warranty on workmanship. However, the blade material being carbon steel with an anti-rust coating may raise questions about coating durability over time and the ease of touch-ups if the coating wears off. Overall, this is a solid starter set with practical storage and a risk-mitigated price of entry.
List number 5. Knife Set. Hunter Duel presents an 8-piece set that focuses on essential daily use blades with a universal block. The knives feature anti-rust properties and a black non-stick coating intended to reduce sticking and improve corrosion resistance. The set includes a chef's knife, santoku, serrated bread knife, utility, paring knife, kitchen shears, and a compact block. A price of $34.99 makes it a strong mid-to-budget option for households seeking a complete starter kit with a modern aesthetic. Pros emphasize rust resistance and a compact footprint. Cons include the potential feel of the plastic handle and coating that may wear with heavy use. Performance-wise, the 8-inch chef and 8-inch bread knives provide broad versatility for daily chopping, while the 7-inch santoku and 5-inch utility cover everyday tasks. The anti-rust coating and non-stick characteristics are beneficial for sticky ingredients and easy cleanup. The dishwasher-safe claim adds convenience, though real-world performance may depend on how aggressively the coating resists chipping or wear over time. This set suits entry-level cooks and families looking for a cohesive, affordable, and visually consistent kit.